Hello, third grade. We are going to keep talking today in math about how multiplication and division are related and how we can use them to help solve problems together. So I've got a little problem for us. We've got Rosie, and she puts 2 lemon slices in each cup of iced tea, and she uses a total of 8 slices. How many cups of iced tea does she make? Well, we know she's got a total of 8 slices, and we know that she is using them, and she's putting 2 in each cup. So we know the size of our groups to get 8 total. We have this unknown. We don't know what this is. So we could draw this out. So I could say, okay, I'm going to do groups of 2 because each group is going to have 2 lemon slices in it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There's 1 cup, 2 cups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is all of her cups of lemonade. So she could make 4 cups of lemonade, couldn't she? What if I show this a different way? Or cups of iced tea, sorry. What if I said, okay, let's take a look at this. And let me draw an array to show this. Now, looking at this array, the columns here, my up and down, my vertical rows, my columns, they show me the number of lemon slices Rosie puts in 1 cup of iced tea. I don't know how many cups she has. I don't know how many cups she's going to make. So I could use this array with the 8 total lemon slices divided into columns of 2 to figure out my unknown. So let's say I didn't know that it was going to be 4 yet. I could use this array to help me. I could count the number of columns to find out how many cups she could make. So let me count my columns. Okay, so this is my total. There's 1 cup of lemonade or iced tea, 2 cups of iced tea, 3 and 4 cups of iced tea. I can use my array to help me figure that. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So my rectangle shows all 8 slices of my lemons. My columns show the 2 lemons in each cup. And now I know exactly how many cups she makes. Okay? I can use this. Does anybody remember what this is called? These are called tape diagrams. Remember we used tape diagrams before in 2nd grade. Let's take a look at another one. Let's say that we have Miss A. I'm going to write this on the board so we can see it. Miss A puts 21 papers in 7 piles. How many papers in each pile? Okay, so we are going to solve this problem. Let me read that again to you so you can hear it. Miss A puts 21 papers in 7 piles. How many papers in each pile? So we don't know the number in each group. We do know the number of groups. So let's take a look at this here. I've got a total of 21 papers, and I'm going to put in 7 piles. I'm going to draw my hole. Okay, there's my hole. And now I'm going to use my hole, and I'm going to divide it into 7 columns or 7 groups. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And now I'm going to equally share those 21 until I get to my total. So I don't know how many papers goes in each group, but I do know that I've got 21 papers. So when I get to 21, I'm going to stop. So I say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I keep going. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to keep going because I'm not at 21. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And I stop because I only had 21 papers. So if I look at my 7 groups, and I'm trying to figure out, okay, I take it times what to get to my 21? Now I know I take it times 1, 2, 3 papers in each group. I could write a division problem for this. I could take the same problem and I could write it as a division problem. Because division and multiplication are really just the opposites. I started with my 21 pieces of paper. I divided them into 7 groups. We didn't know what it was for a while, but now we know that it is 3 pieces of paper in each group. I can use my tape diagram to help me find the information that I need. Let's try another one together. Let's try one more. What if we get rid of the story problem? Sometimes story problems confuse people. Let's say I have 16 divided by 2 equals we don't know. Okay? So I'm going to start with a total of 16 things. That's one thing I'm starting with. Now, I don't know. I've got 2 groups, but I don't know how many are going to go in each group. So let me draw my hole. Let me draw my 2 groups. And I'm going to find how much is going to go in my groups. So I'm going to equally share those 16. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So when I take 16 and I divide it into 2, I see that I get 8 in each group. Because 16 divided by 2 equals 8. I could also use this as a multiplication problem. I could say, okay, if I'm going to have 2 groups times, I don't know how many in each group, it will equal 16 total though. Well, now I know right there. It's going to be 8 because multiplication and division are very related. So today you're going to be able to use diagrams, some tape diagrams like that to help you solve some problems. You might have to draw some things out, okay, just like we did together. But you're going to be using those to help you figure out some missing factors. Go practice on the pages that are listed below in the assignment, and then do the assignment that needs to be turned in, and let us know if you have any questions.